Cake decorating with marshmallow fondant can be really easy to do, like this textured fondant cake, using molds, cutters, and impression mats to create a unique design. If you've never made marshmallow fondant or covered a cake using marshmallow fondant, go back and watch part 1 and 2 of this series. This is a 6-inch cake. Gather up whatever molds, impression mats, cutters that you have. There is a link below in the description box to my Amazon shop if you need to purchase any of these items. To use these molds, just dust cornstarch into the molds and press the gum paste in and then pop them out. Roll out some gum paste fairly thin. You can use the plungers or simply cut out shapes. This was an experiment that turned out beautifully. These are sugar lace mats. Generously apply some cornstarch, then roll out gum paste onto the mat and then peel off. Place it onto the cake using a dab of water to help it stick. Leaves are also great for this. You can use a veiner to make them look a little more realistic. This is the jewel mat. Just make a bunch of shapes and press them on. This is a candy mold, which makes great seashells. And my tried and true dogwood cutter. I basically just used whatever I had on hand. It was really fun playing around with all this stuff. Just play around and have fun with this. The nautical impression mat turned out to be my favorite as the cake slowly became an ocean theme. The mermaid tail topper was from our Zoom class this past week. Click the join button to see how you can join in on my fun cake decorating classes. I love the white on white, but you could also dust the pieces with petal dust or gold, which I'm planning to do for the next cake decorating with marshmallow fondant video. Thank you so much for subscribing to Cakes with Lorelie. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions.